In this video, you'll see how to create UI animations like those you see in saas videos in After Effects. I recommend watching the video until the end so you don't miss any techniques that will improve your projects. If you liked the video and subscribed, let's get started. First, we open a new composition. Select the rectangle tool and draw a shape. Turn off its stroke. Adjust the center point using the Ctrl-Alt-Home shortcut and align it to the composition using the Ctrl-Home shortcut. Open the rectangle settings. Set the size to 400 and the roundness to 95. Copy one layer using the Ctrl-D shortcut. Rename the top layer to stroke. Turn off the fill value of the stroke layer and turn on the stroke value. Can set its value to 20. Set its color to dark gray. Now add a gradient overlay to the fill layer. Set the primary gradient color to purple. Then select the text tool and add text. Resize and align the text to fit the rectangle. Then select the rectangle tool and draw a shape. Turn off the stroke color and select linear gradient as the fill color. You can adjust the gradient colors in this way. Next, open the rectangle settings and set the roundness value to 100. Rename it to charge bar. Copy the text layer and change it to 0. Set the font style to light. Then, copy two more copies of the text, one with 50 and the other with 100. Then, select all three numbers and align them using the alignment panel. Now let's move on to the animation part. Select the rectangle tool and draw a shape. Add the wave warp effect from the effects. Set the wave width value to 100, direction value to 180, and the wave speed value to 0.3. Then open its position and activate its keyframe. Go to the last second and adjust the position like this. Then make the charge bar layer matte on the wave layer. If it's not visible to you, you can turn it on and off using the toggle switches. Add the glow effect to the charge bar layer. Set the glow radius to 25. Copy the effect using the Ctrl-D shortcut. Change the color channel to the alpha channel. Also set the glow radius to 45. Very good. Now open the gradient settings of the charge layer. Activate the color keyframe in the first frame. Go to the last second and change the gradient color. Here made a simple position error in the wave layer. To correct it, adjust the position of the wave layer like this while the cursor is at the last second. Nice. Now let's change the gradient of the charge layer. Choose dark green as the first color. Make the second color a slightly lighter green. Then open the gradient settings of the rectangle layer and activate the color keyframe in the first second. Go to the last second and set the primary gradient color like this. Now open an adjustment layer. Add the glow effect to this layer. Set the glow radius to 450. And finally, select all layers and pre-compose. Activate the scale and rotation keyframes. Go forward 5 frames, leaving the values as they are. Return to the first frame. Set the scale value to 0 and the rotation value to -15. Then add a bounce effect to the scale and rotation values respectively. I made a video about this script. You can watch it from the link above. Set the amplitude value to 60 and the decay value to 5. If you've watched this far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next videos.